Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Fidelity's international investment services. Alright, if you've been wondering how to use Fidelity's international investment services, this video is for you. It's going to be a really quick one, just going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all and jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Fidelity account. You can do that online on the website, or you can do that through the mobile app. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on institutional services and then investment services, and there you're going to browse the institutional investment services. It could be a portfolio management or research or whatever it is that you want to make use of, and then you can use these services to manage institutional investments. And also you could access research and market insights, and also you can use that to monitor the investment activities. So yeah, you can also use the service to optimize institutional investment portfolios. And yeah, that's pretty much it for how to use institutional investment services. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the